How to blur photo on iPhone. So let's get started. You can blur photo on iPhone if it was clicked in portrait mode. But if it was not clicked in portrait mode, then you cannot blur photo within Photos app in iPhone. So, in order to blur a photo on your iPhone, we can simply use the CapCut app. CapCut allows you to easily blur parts of a photo for privacy or aesthetic effects, or you can simply blur the whole photo on your CapCut using your iPhone. Now, all you have to do is download the CapCut and open CapCut on your iPhone. Now, simply tap on the New Project and select the photo you want to blur from the gallery. Or you can simply choose the photo that you have saved on your CapCut as well, but we are browsing through the gallery. So tap on the New Project and scroll down and tap on the any photo you want. And once done so, you can simply see effects option available at the bottom. You can see there is effects option available at the bottom tabs. Simply tap on the effects, then go to the video effects even for photos. Now all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the blur. Now scroll down and choose one of the blur effect. You can also adjust the intensity using this slide. Here I'm choosing any blur effect for an example. And once you do so, tap check mark to apply the blur. And that is it. Now here you can see the blur effect has been successfully added to your photo. If you want to export this, then simply tap on the export icon at the top right corner and choose the highest quality and save it to your Photos app. It will be saved, or you can simply take a screenshot in order to keep it as a photo. If you export it, then it will be downloaded as a video. So you can screenshot for the photo. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.